Also on the property news is our other special series, Is Mumbai Rain Ready? Now we know that Mumbai's civic body, the BMC, has set itself a target of 31st of May to get the city ship-shape for the rains. But that could be a tough ask considering that about 530 kilometers of roads in Maximum City are currently under repair. Today, Suesha Sawant checked out the stretch that is home to Mumbai's beautiful people and took stock of Andheri and the surrounding areas. Take a look.
The big question that Mumbai faces every year during the monsoons is that are we rain ready? To understand how the situation is like in the western suburbs, we drove through several areas including Bandra, Santa Cruz, Andheri, Juhu, Jogeshwari, Malad, Goregaon. We saw that there are potholes through several roads that have been dug up. They have not been filled yet. In fact, even in residential areas, although the drains have been cleared, but the dump has only been mounted, and it is mounted literally at a distance of a few meters. That dump has not been cleared. There are several patches where the road repair work is happening, either because of road repair or that the metro construction work is happening. And clearly, considering that the forecast says that there are going to be torrential rains in the next 15 days, it does not look like that the citizens are really going to be able to combat the rains at this rate. In fact, the area that I'm walking through right now is the area close to the Andheri station here, because there are several patches that have slopes, so the water gets clogged here every year, and there is knee-deep water. Nearly 4 to 5 lakh commuters travel from here every day. They face problems because the trains get stalled, the buses move slowly, they don't get rickshaws or taxis to be able to commute. And not just this, throughout the city we saw that the potholes have not been filled yet. Even if the drainage work is happening, is it equipped enough to be able to channelize the water, the rainwater, such that the water does not get clogged? That is what we are trying to see.
Now, Suesha also caught up with few residents and shopkeepers. Listen in to what they had to say.
कमर तक कम से कम पानी भरता है, गटर का पानी पूरा रोडों पे चलता है, चल नहीं सकता आदमी, किनारे किनारे से भी नहीं चल सकता, इतना पानी होता है। बीएमसी में कंप्लेंट हो, कोई एक्शन नहीं, कुछ भी काम नहीं होता है बीएमसी का। गटर भी खोल देते, जो बीच बीच में गटर रहती है ना, वो भी खुल जाते, बच्चे गिर जाते उसके अंदर, कुछ भी काम नहीं हुआ है। बल्कि हम लोग गटर के ढक्कन खोल के बच्चे बाहर निकालें, बच्चे गिर जाते हैं। यहाँ पे जगह जगह पे जो गाड़ियाँ खड़ी रहती है वो जाम हो जाती है, हम लोग को हटाना पड़ता है। झाड़ वाड़ गिर जाते हैं, आज सुबह में झाड़ गिरता है तो कल दूसरे दिन बीएमसी आके साफ़ करता है।
यहाँ पे तो बारिश में बहुत प्रॉब्लम होता है, कभी तो ट्रैफिक का प्रॉब्लम होता है, यहाँ पे ट्रेन का प्रॉब्लम होता है, कभी कभी तो बसेज भी नहीं होती वर्केबल, ऑटो रिक्शा सब बंद होता है। या तो पूरा ऑल कम से कम तो घुटने तक या कमर तक पानी भर जाता है। बीएमसी ने तो अभी तो खाली 20-30% वर्किंग किया है, अभी तो गोल 100% काम किया ही नहीं है।
पानी का जो यहाँ पे भराव सभी साइड में स्लोप है ना, तो यहीं भरता है। अभी तो काम किया है लोग ने, थोड़ा बहुत काम चालू है लोग बीएमसी वाले का।
पूरा पानी भर जाता है और सामने ना सामने साइड में बहुत पानी भरता है, ऊपर से जो पानी आता है बहुत भर जाता है, तकलीफ बहुत होती है।
I don't think BMC has made any such changes. The potholes are still like the way they are, and the situation gets really bad. It gets very difficult for the commuters.
पानी भर जाता है यहाँ तक, और जहाँ मैं रहता हूँ वहाँ पे इतना पानी भरता है, लाइक हाफ एन आवर आता पानी। और प्रॉब्लम ये होती है कि यहाँ गंदगी बहुत रहती है।
I'm a resident of Villepale West.
Meanwhile, activist Rishi Agarwal believes that this monsoon won't be any different, but the BMC is not equipped enough to focus on the core issues, and neither do they have the expertise to solve the problem. Listen in.
Has any work actively happened? Has the BMC gone out and is making arrangements to work on these things?
See, from what I see this year, I think the cleaning of drains next to the roads has been pretty good, and it is already happening within time. Last year, I remember it was still happening in the first week of June. Today, at least in some of the neighborhoods, I'm seeing the work is already completed. Having said that, I think it's election year, so it's quite understandable that these things will be done much better. On some of the other aspects, like I said, the people throwing garbage into the nalas and the drains still, that is appalling. I mean, I don't think there is any real progress. And I mean, we've been talking Swachh Bharat Abhiyan again now for 2 years, and people who've been involved, like some of us for 15-20 years. saying this is completely common sense. This is, we are talking about smart cities again. This is really the bottom of the things. If you're going to keep throwing garbage into your drains, which are removing flood water, then floods are bound to happen. And then I think road design and engineering is another very critical area where we are not doing enough at all, because we need to understand how you slope your roads, your condition of your roads. Is it helping accumulate water or is it helping drain off water? All of this are very critical. I think the road department does not look into these things.
Which is exactly what I'm trying to ask you. Now, slopes, especially the slopey areas, are a huge problem during the rains.
Yeah.
Has anything been done to fill up those slopes, probably level them, work on the drainage system, the pipelines, everything?
See, the thing is, I don't think the municipal corporation unfortunately takes expert help in a lot of these things. It is too much dominated by contractors who do not necessarily have the key technical expertise. Making contour maps and planning according to that was a key recommendation of Chitli Commission formed after the Methi floods. I think all of that is still not happening. We are having the development plan exercise going on. One of the major contributions to the development plan exercise we gave was to map out flood prone areas and carry out development keeping that in mind. So I don't think BMC is looking into those issues very seriously.
Suesha, meanwhile, also got in touch with BMC Corporator Benita Vora in Vile-Parle, who says that the BMC needs to improve its disaster management cell and make it more responsive to people who call in.
Have there been any specific measures that have been taken to avoid water clogging, which have been done like in the recent months?
Now, this year, to a surprise or to a good thing, the number of NGO laborers have increased drastically. Like initially we had just 60 laborers, now we have like triple the amount of laborers working. They are the laborers who clear the drains before the monsoon. This happens basically a month or two prior to the monsoon, and this time they've increased the number of laborers, so the number of silt coming out from the drain, you'll see in all of the areas a lot of pits around where the drains and the silt has been removed from the drain. So this will eventually help the water to just flow through, and clogging will be to a great extent avoided.
But have there been any pipelines that have been installed which can channelize the water or any that sort of?
Stormwater drain is exactly like a pipeline, right? So it takes the water through, and it's perfect system. If it works the way the engineers have planned it, it should be working well this year. Have mostly covered up most of the clogging areas, and I think since 2 years the people also can see the results. So certainly this year we shouldn't be having any problem.
And lastly, in case of a crisis situation or in case people get stuck, how can they reach out to the authorities?
See, reaching out to the authority, they do have a disaster management system, but I really don't know how far it works. But yeah, we all available, like our entire, I'm the corporator, my staff and my house and my office is in the same area. So people exactly know where to come, and they come to us and we try to sort out our best at our level.
All right.
But certainly, I think the BMC needs to improve their disaster management on a larger scale if you look at the Mumbai as a whole.
You can watch live TV on our website mpnow.in. Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/magicbricksnow. And don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at magicbricksnow. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/magicbricksnow.